parliamentary system. So democracy, indirect democracy. So direct democracy, example Switzerland. So direct democracy is suitable for small populated and small geographical area country, where the indirect democracy is suitable for large geographical area and large populated area. So the indirect democracy, for example, USA, UK, India, Canada, Australia, France, and so many countries in our world. So many countries followed the indirect democracy. So in the democracy, there are two types of governments. One is parliamentary form of government. The other one is presidential form of government. Presidential form of government. So the one is parliamentary form of government, the other one is the presidential form of government. So presidential form. So in any democratic government, the one is legislature, second one is executive, the third one is judiciary. So these are the three organs in any democratic country to rule the government: legislature, executive, judiciary. So like that. So in the parliamentary system also there is three organs are existed, as well as the presidential form of government also, legislative and executive and judiciary are existed. But so what is the difference? So what is the difference between the parliamentary form of, what is meant by parliamentary form of government, and what is meant by presidential form of government? So coming to the first one, parliamentary form of government. So in the parliamentary form of government, so it is a legislative, executive, judiciary. Legislative, executive, judiciary. Presidential form of government: legislative, executive, and judiciary. So these are common. Whereas, so coming to the first one, presidential form of government. So in the basic difference between the parliamentary form of government and the presidential form of government is separation of powers between the organs. Separation of powers between the organs. So legislative is one, executive is second one, and judiciary is the third organ. So separation of powers. Separation of powers means, so here is the legislative, here is the executive, here is the judiciary. So legislative powers are separated, executive powers are separated, and judiciary powers are separated in the presidential form of government. So legislative nothing but in the presidential form of government, for example America, so is a Congress. So legislative, executive, judiciary. Legislative are separated from the executive separated from the judiciary. So legislative not depend the executive not depend the judiciary not depend the legislative. It is similar, legislative not depend the judiciary not depend the executive not depend the legislator. So it is this powers known as the separation of powers. Legislative powers are separated, executive powers are separated, judiciary powers are separated. So that's why, so legislative not dependent on executive not depend on judiciary not depend on legislature. So it is the presidential form of government system. So legislative means Congress means there are two houses in the American legislative. One is House of Commons and House of Lords. House of Commons and House of Representatives. House of Commons and so there are House of Representatives. Second one is House of Senate. So these are the two houses consist legislature, executive. In any presidential form of government, there is a fixed executive prescribed in the concerned constitution. So it is a executive, it is a judiciary. So it is a presidential form of government, the organs of the presidential form of government. So in the parliamentary form of government, so it is the legislative, so executive, judiciary. So judiciary is separate, executive, sorry. So legislature, so it is the legislature. So in India, legislature consists known as parliament. So in that parliament, so it is legislature. In that parliament, there are two houses. One is House of People or Lower House. The second one is House of Lords or Elders House. The one is House of People or Lok Sabha or Lower Digo Sabha. House of Lords or House of Elders or Ego Sabha, House of Uppers. So this is the two houses consist known as the parliament. In any parliamentary form of government followed this system, two houses system in the union level. So this houses, so in the parliamentary system, the second organ is executive. So this executive, so is it visible, friends? Is it visible? Okay. So in the, please mute your mobiles, please. Mute lo pettandi, mobiles mute lo pettandi. Okay.
Okay sir, but not really that clear.
Voice is not clear. Okay. So the first in every parliamentary form of government, for example, in India followed the India adopts the parliamentary form of government. In India, in Indian government, so the one is legislative, the second one is executive, third one is judiciary. So these three organs were common to any democratic government in the world. Okay. So legislature nothing but parliament. So in a parliament there are consists of two houses. One is House of People, the other one is House of Lords or House of Lords. Sorry, House of People's Representatives Center. There are Elders House, House of People's Representatives. Sorry, not people representatives. House of Elders. Please wait. So it is the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. So Lok Sabha also known as the lower house. Rajya Sabha also known as the upper house. So this is the legislative wing. The total members in the Lok Sabha 543 plus 2. The total members in the Rajya Sabha 238 plus 12. The total members 795. These total 795 members are parliamentary members. So these 795 members are participate in the making laws in the parliament. సో 795 మంది 545 మంది లోక్సభ మెంబర్స్ 235 మంది రాజ్యసభ మెంబర్స్. సో ఈ 795 మంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే లెజిస్లేటివ్ బాడీలో వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా మెంబర్స్. సో దీస్ మెంబర్స్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద ఎంపీస్ అంటారు, మెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పార్లమెంట్స్. దీస్ మెంబర్స్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఎంపీస్ అంటారు. సో ఈ ఎంపీల నుంచి, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద లెజిస్లేటివ్ వింగ్ only legislative wing. So the second one is the executive wing. So this executive wing come from, so all of you look at the board please. So executive body appointed either from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha also. So executive body ఎట్లా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అవుతుందంటే లోక్ సభలో నుంచి అయినా రావచ్చు, రాజ్యసభ నుంచి అయినా మెంబర్స్ రావచ్చు. So this is known as the executive body. So it is in America there is a separate executive body, there is a separate legislative body, there is a separate judiciary body. But whereas in the parliamentary form of government, legislature and executive are interdependent bodies, interdependent organs. Okay, legislature and executives are interdependent bodies. So executive depend on legislature, legislature depend on executives. So that's why it is known as interrelated bodies. But whereas in the presidential form of government, so these are not interrelated bodies. So these are the individual bodies. So legislative is an individual body, executive is an individual body. But whereas in the parliamentary form of government, legislative and executives are interrelated bodies, interrelated organs. So this is the executive body. సో ఈ విధంగా ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ బాడీ అనేది ఏర్పాటు అవుతుంది. ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఇస్ జ్యుడిషియరీ. జ్యుడిషియరీ ఈజ్ a separate. సో ఇది ఇట్ ఇస్ జ్యుడిషియరీ ఈజ్ అ ఇండిపెండెంట్ బాడీ. ఓకే, చెప్పండి.
అది ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ బాడీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అంటారు కదా.